Welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial will walk you through troubleshooting video transmission signal issues on the UniRC 10 Pro. If you experience shorter than expected video transmission range during flight, please follow the steps below to troubleshoot. Step 1. Check the antenna installation position. The installation position of the air unit antenna directly affects signal transmission. Please confirm. 1. Keep away from interference sources. Ensure the air unit antenna is installed away from areas with strong electromagnetic interference, such as near ESCs, motors, or other devices with high power current and significant electromagnetic noise. 2. Check SMA connector installation. Ensure the SMA connector does not come into direct contact with carbon fiber or metal surfaces to prevent signal shielding. 3. Check antenna spacing. Arrange the 4 antennas as far apart as possible, maintaining a minimum spacing of 50 millimeters to avoid signal interference. 4. Connector protection. Do not pull forcefully on the connections at either end of the antenna to prevent the connectors from loosening or becoming damaged. Step 2. Check the antenna orientation angle. Please ensure the air unit antenna is positioned vertically downward on the arm, with the flat side of the antenna facing the direction of the ground unit for optimal signal reception. Step 3. Check the antenna connector installation. 1. Check whether the MMCX and IPEX connectors on the air unit are fully seated. If the installation is loose, poor contact may cause signal instability. 2. Ensure that during installation, the SMA connectors are tightened gradually to guarantee a secure and reliable physical connection. 3. Please check whether the 2 sets of antennas on the UniRC 10 Pro air unit are correctly installed to avoid confusion that may affect normal device operation. Step 4. Switch the operating mode and frequency band. If none of the above basic checks reveal any issues, try switching the video transmission operating mode and selecting a different operating frequency band. In different interference environments, selecting an appropriate frequency band can effectively optimize transmission range. After completing the above troubleshooting steps, if the issue persists, please contact official technical support for further assistance.